I felt for you. Oh, I regret for.
Hello, welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, you will need about 2.5 yards of fabric, an interfacing for your waistband, and a zipper, and also you will need a pants pattern. I made a detailed tutorial on how to make this pattern. Please check the description box below this video for the tutorial. And I showed how you can make a fly zipper, and I showed how you can cut your pockets and place your darts, and I also showed how you can cut your pocket facings. Now moving on, fold your fabric in half like this. Now to eyeball how much you need, just place your taper on your folded fabric and measure your thigh or your hip, whichever one is bigger. That way you know the amount of fabric you need on fold. Now place your pattern on your folded fabric, and now whatever you used as your waist to crotch depth measurement, you're going to be adding 4 inches to it. Now my waist to crotch is 11 inches. I am going to be adding 4 inches, and that will be 15. Now because I am going to be adding a waistband, I am going to take out 2 inches from that. Now I am just making sure I have exactly 2 inches at the waist, and once I do that, I would go on and retrace my pattern on my fabric. Now on the hip part, I'm going to go in with my ruler. Instead of making it curvy, you're going to make it straight because you're making a palazzo pant. It's going to be straight all the way from the hip to the bottom. Now I am just making sure my pattern is in place, and I will go on and keep retracing. Now on there on my crotch, I would also make that straight. Now I will just retrace my fly zipper and my darts on my fabric. Now I am just making sure I have exactly 2 inches right there at the waist. Now once everything is all set and good, I will just go on and cut out my fabric. Now fold your bottom hemming allowance and continue cutting. This way your pant is going to come out right at the bottom. Now our front fabric is ready. Now to cut out the back, place your fabric on fold. Place your pattern on your fabric. I am making sure I have 2 inches right there at the top for the high waist, and now I am just going to go on and retrace my pattern on my fabric just like we did for the front. Now make sure you place your ruler from the hip side to the bottom and make it straight, and also come to the crotch and do the same. Now I will also retrace my darts. Connect your hemlines. And I am just connecting the 2 inches extension I made on my waist. And I will just connect the lines, and next thing to do is to cut out your fabric. Now place your fabric on fold and place your pockets on your fabric and retrace all the way around it, and also do the same for the pocket facing. Once you're done, just cut it out. Now you have your cute pocket pieces. Now place the good sides of your front together like this. And I will just notch around the dart area that I traced on my fabric. Now I will be taking 5 inches for the front dart. And I would connect the 1/2 inches like that. Now for the back, I will be taking 6 inches for the length of my dart, because the back dart is usually longer than the front. Now I am just connecting my dart lines. And also make sure you do the same for the other side of the back and also the front. Now place the center line on fold, and we're going to sew the 1/2 inches all the way to the top, and your dart is ready. And I'll do the same, fold the center line and sew all the way to the top, and your dart is good to go. Now join your crotch together and sew all the way right there to the top. Join your crotch all the way to the top by 1/2 inches. Now on the zipper, I am going to notch the flap. This way I would connect the other side. Now once I have done that, I will go on my sewing machine and sew like that all the way and stop right there. I am going to be using a loose stitch. Now from here, I am going to sew 1/2 inches all the way right there. Place your fabric on fold and take the circumference of your waist plus 1.5 inches for seam allowance. Now I am going to be taking 3 inches for the length of my waistband. 2 inches is going to be for the length of my waistband, and 1 inch is going to be for the joining of the inside, and 1/2 inch for the joining of the outside. That makes everything 3 inches. Now I will just go on and cut this out and place my interfacing and iron it like that. Now I have gone and made my stitches like that, and place 2 inches at the straight part of your pockets. Now again, I made a detailed tutorial on how to fix your pockets and also place your zipper, and I will just go over this very quickly. Place the curved part of your pockets over your pants like this and sew by 1/2 inches and fold it inside and place your pockets right there, and you're going to sew. And once you're done, you're going to join your pockets together. Once you're done joining, your pocket is going to be looking as nice as this. Go in and weave the edges of your flap and place your zipper right there, and also take 1/2 inch on your flap. Place your zipper is right there, joining your zipper and your flap. I made a detailed tutorial on how to do this, so I skipped this part totally. You can check the description box below and watch how to fix your zipper on your pants. Now place the good sides of your front to the good sides of your back And we're going to be joining the sides by 1/2 inch and sew all the way down, and do the same for the other side. Now once you're done doing that, fold the hem, the bottom hem, fold it over twice, and we're going to make stitches all the way, and do the same for the other side. I have gone and done that on my sewing machine. Now join the crotches, the crotch of the front to the crotch of the back together, and we're going to be joining the insides by 1/2 inch all the way to the bottom, and also do the same for the other side. Join the inside by 1/2 inch all the way to the bottom. Now it's time to join our waistband. Fold your waistband like this and sew. Now turn it out. We're going to be placing this on the waist of our pants. Now on this part of the zip, not on this one with the zip flap, on this one I am going to place my waistband right there, and I am going to sew all the way to the other side. So you can see the flap of the waistband will meet the flap of the zipper. Now fold your waistband inwards like this. Now just fold the remaining 1/2 inch right there, fold it inwards, and we're going to start pinning. Now you're going to go on your sewing machine and make your stitches and sew all the way, and when you get to somewhere like here, fold your waistband over and sew the edges and turn it back inwards, and you're going to finish up your waistband stitch. And once you're done, you put in your hook and eye, and voila, we are done with this tutorial. Please make sure you like and make sure you subscribe, and hope to see you in more videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys.